What's up, you guys? Aditi. Welcome back to our channel. Last Friday, we have seen two theories of motivation: early instinct approach and drive reduction theory. Today, we're going to see the third theory of motivation. Let's begin. This theory of motivation is called as McClend's theory of motivation because it has been proposed by David McClend. He was, I think it was, a Harvard University professor, psychologist, and a professor in Harvard University. And he proposed this theory of motivation where he said that human beings have three main psychological needs. Okay, so first is affiliation, second is power, and third is achievement. Now, before I explain these three psychological needs, I would just want to make you understand that everyone has these needs, but they are in different levels. So, for example, someone who loves being social and wants a lot of people, maybe they have a higher need of affiliation, but a lower need, or maybe almost negligible, nil need for power. So, somebody who wants to achieve a lot of things has a need for achievement, but maybe not so much for affiliation or maybe for power. So you need to understand that there are different levels of these three needs in each and every one. And as like I've always said in most of my videos, that human beings are so different and distinct from each other, so everyone is going to have different levels of these three needs. Okay, so let's start with need for affiliation. So, according to David McClend, human beings have a psychological need for friendly social interactions and relationships with others. People high in this need for affiliation, they seek to be liked by others, and they want to be held in high regard by those around them. And this makes high affiliation people good team players. But we also need to understand there is this one bad thing, kind of a bad thing, because they might run over a few team members on the way to the top. Now let's go to the second need. Now, according to McClend, when it comes to need for power, it is not about reaching to the top and achieving a lot more. No, 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 no. It's about having control and power over other people. So these people want to have influence over others, make an impact on them. These people think of money as one of the most important things, or the most important things. They want to wear expensive clothes, they want to live in expensive and mansions, big expensive houses, want to possess expensive cars, dine in the best restaurants. So, for such people, status and prestige is the most important. Coming to the last need, according to McClend's theory of motivation, that is need for achievement. So, people who have this kind of a need, they want to succeed in attaining these goals, but not just realistic ones, but also challenging ones. They look for careers and hobbies that allow others to evaluate them. Because these are such high achievers, they need to have feedback about their performance and also achieve to reach the top, like to reach the goal that they have. So, people who have the need to achieve things, they want to achieve things, they want to achieve their goals, and hence they do become wealthy and famous and everything. But unless and until they also have the need for power, they do not actually they don't actually care about the material aspect of things. It's all about personal successes for them. So achievement motivation appears to be strongly related to success in school, occupational success, and the quality and amount of what a person produces. So if we go back to everything and just revise the three motivations or the three needs, then first is the affiliation need, or need for affiliation. They want to be liked by others. They are good team players. They want friendly social interactions and relationships. Coming to the second one, need for power. They want an influence over others, and they are, let's just say, materialistic in a way, and they put a lot of importance on status and prestige. The third need for achievement, They want to achieve realistic and challenging goals. They also want feedback. They want to achieve um, and reach their goals. That is it for today's video. I know it was extremely short. I don't want to club two theories together and then when you're revising, it's easier to just look for one theory, revise and be done with it. So that's the reason why I just decided to make just one video for one theory. Let me know how you think about this, if you're okay with this, if you want me to club two theories together or something, let me know in the comment section. Like, subscribe, share. As always, I'll see you next Friday with another psychology video.